So, ayan guys, Victory Liner. If you are first class or royal class, they have a lounge, air-conditioned area. Ang ating magandang vlogger ay nagtitimpla ng kape kasi may pakape si Mayor. And then, malaki yung space niya for you to chill until the travel time.
Enjoy the pilgrimage. Ano, curtain para may privacy ka. Tapos relax. Ang mode. Pwedeng nakataas yung ano. So, 4 hours to Baguio. So, ganito lang siya. Kung saan titingnan mo.